welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Grace, also known as the Hair Guru. And if you are a returning subscriber, I'm so excited that you're joining me. Yeah, I'm so glad you're joining me. If you're new once again, kindly subscribe to the channel, share, like this video, and share to as much people you think will benefit from this tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how I was able to achieve this beautiful flat twist updo, flat twist stroke, chunky twist updo. Guys, this is all my hair, no added extension. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you how I was able to do it. Let's dive right into the video.
Hello once again. So in this particular style, I started with not freshly washed hair because I've had my hair for some time and I didn't want to wash it at the moment, so I decided to do this beautiful flat twist style. So for the first part, I sectioned my hair into two parts, the back and the front. The back was a bit smaller than the front, so after sectioning the back and the front, I kind of packed it to make it easier for me. So if you do not know how, or you cannot part your hair by yourself, you could get somebody to help you. But being the fact that I've been doing my hair myself for a really long time, I know how to section my hair by myself with the aid of a mirror. So after parting the first part, I went into flat twisting. So you could do your braid if you cannot flat twist, and if you cannot flat twist, I could share a video for you. Do share in the comments if you'd like me to share a video tutorial on how to do your flat twist. After flat twisting the hair, I went on to use a fancy rubber band, a cocoa rubber band, to band the hair so it could be firm and it can last long. Because if you should just flat twist and go on and twist, it might not last long. The roots will not be firm. So this way it will be really firm. Do take note of how I did the twist. Very chunky. It's not the normal tight twist. Chunky and loose. Off the camera, I decided to part the whole hair into my desired section so it could be easier for me instead of parting and flat twisting. If you're someone that is interested in growing your hair longer, faster, then this kind of protective style, stroke flow manipulative style, is the best for you. Flat twist is one of the easiest protective style you could do because it is easy to install and take down. So if I were you, I would take advantage of flat twist. Another amazing thing about flat twisting is that it exposes your scalps and makes it very easy for you to apply your hair oil or whatever treatment you want to apply to your scalp. At this point, I was done with the front section. I'm now left with the back. So for the back, I will be doing just chunky twist, loose but very chunky twist. So I started by parting the hair into big sections. So I went on to braid the roots first before twisting. Guys, make sure your twist is really very loose. if at this point you're yet to subscribe to the channel or even like or share, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel, like this video. Are you not enjoying this content that you're seeing? And guys, I am done. This is the look. It is giving flat twist and chunky twist, giving everything beautiful. However, I feel a bit skeptical about the tip. I don't really like the way the tip is looking like, so I decided to go on to make it look more pretty. I decided to fold the tip of the hair, so I went on to fold that way. You could do the same to make yours also really nice too. Before meet after, what do you think? Do you prefer the before look or the after? Do share your opinion in the comment section. So I went on to apply some oil to my scalp, and then voila, I was done. I hope you really enjoyed this video. See you in another video. Bye.